The air conditioning system in your BMW makes sure the interior temperature is optimized to your personal preferences. With the automatic function, the optimal air conditioning effect of your vehicle's interior can be reached. The automatic air conditioning adjusts to the set temperature in a comfortable way, using maximum cooling or heating power if necessary. To meet the set temperature faster, the ventilation intensity can also be manually adjusted. Depending on equipment version, by pressing Menu and then Synchronize in the control display, the temperature, airflow, air distribution, and auto program from the driver's side can be transferred to the front passenger side and to the rear. To cool the interior as fast and intense as possible, press the Max AC button. The ventilation is set to the highest intensity, the temperature is set the lowest possible. If window condensation is detected, the recirculation mode automatically switches to the fresh air mode. The LED of the recirculation button is then switched off. When pressing the defrost button, ice and condensation are quickly removed from the windscreen and the front side windows. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.